Imagine staring into the night sky, gazing at the countless stars that stretch beyond our reach. But what if I told you that everything you see, everything we can possibly observe, is just a fraction of what truly exists? We live inside a cosmic bubble, a limited sphere of the universe we call the observable universe. But beyond that boundary, hidden from our sight, could be an infinite expanse filled with secrets we may never uncover. Welcome back to the Celestial Journal, your go-to destination for exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. If you love diving into deep space questions like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future journeys into the unknown. First, let's define what the observable universe actually is. It's the portion of the universe from which light has had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang, roughly 13.8 billion years ago. But here's the twist. Because of cosmic expansion, the observable universe isn't just 13.8 billion light-years in radius, it's much bigger. Due to the constant stretching of space, the edge of our observable universe is estimated to be 46.5 billion light-years away in every direction. That means the entire observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across, a cosmic bubble of galaxies, stars, and mysteries we can study. But beyond that, that's where things get truly fascinating. The farther we look, the faster galaxies appear to move away from us. This isn't because they're physically moving at high speeds, it's because space itself is expanding. Eventually, they reach a speed where their light can no longer reach us, trapped by the relentless expansion of the cosmos. This creates what's known as the cosmic event horizon, a point beyond which anything that exists today will forever be unreachable, no matter how advanced our technology becomes. It's like watching a ship sail toward the horizon on the ocean. You know it's still there, but eventually it disappears from view. So, what's beyond this cosmic horizon? Let's dive into some theories. One possibility is that beyond our observable bubble, there is simply more universe, more galaxies, more stars, and more cosmic structures, stretching infinitely in all directions. If this is true, then our observable universe is nothing more than a tiny speck in a much larger, possibly infinite cosmos. Just as a person standing in the middle of the ocean sees only water around them, our cosmic view may be limited by the horizon of our observable bubble. But here's where things get even crazier. What if what lies beyond is something entirely different? Many physicists believe that beyond the observable universe, we might not just find more of the same, but something entirely different. Enter the multiverse hypothesis. According to some models of physics, our universe might be just one bubble in an endless cosmic foam, where countless universes exist, each with its own physical laws, dimensions, and even alternate versions of reality. Some of these universes might be similar to ours, while others could be completely alien, with different fundamental forces, bizarre physics, or even completely different forms of life. But if these parallel universes exist, could we ever reach them? Or are they forever beyond our grasp? The ultimate question remains: can we ever see beyond the observable universe? As of now, the answer is probably not. The expansion of space ensures that regions beyond our cosmic horizon remain forever hidden. But that hasn't stopped scientists from trying. Some researchers are studying cosmic gravitational waves, ripples in space-time left over from the early universe, that might contain clues about what lies beyond. Others are searching for strange cosmic anomalies, like cold spots in the cosmic microwave background, that might hint at interactions with other universes. So, what lies beyond the observable universe? More galaxies? An infinite cosmos? A hidden multiverse? Or something we can't even comprehend? The truth is, we may never know, but one thing is certain. The universe is far greater, more mysterious, and more mind-blowing than we could ever imagine. What do you think lies beyond our cosmic horizon? Let us know in the comments below. Before we dive deeper into the unknown, let's ask another important question. What is the actual shape of the universe? You see, if the universe is infinite, it could extend forever in all directions. But if it's finite, it might have a specific shape, possibly looping back on itself like the surface of a sphere. Scientists have proposed three possible shapes for the universe. Flat universe. This means the universe stretches infinitely in all directions, without any curvature. Light would travel in straight lines forever. Spherical universe. If space is curved like a sphere, then traveling in one direction long enough would eventually bring you back to where you started, like walking around a planet. Hyperbolic universe. If space is negatively curved, it could have a saddle-like shape, making it behave in strange, non-intuitive ways. Current evidence suggests that the universe is extremely close to being flat, but we can't be 100% sure. And if it's not perfectly flat, could it mean that beyond the observable horizon, space actually bends in unexpected ways? Could it even loop back on itself, meaning if you traveled far enough, you might return to where you started, without ever hitting an edge? Here's where things get even stranger. Scientists have noticed something odd. Certain clusters of galaxies appear to be moving in one particular direction, as if they're being pulled by a force we can't see. This phenomenon is known as dark flow. Dark flow suggests that something beyond our observable universe is exerting a gravitational pull on entire galaxy clusters. But what could be causing this? A supermassive structure? One idea is that there could be an enormous concentration of mass beyond our cosmic horizon. A supercluster of galaxies so massive that its gravity influences galaxies inside our observable universe. A neighboring universe? Another mind-blowing theory is that dark flow is caused by the gravitational pull of an entirely different universe, one that exists just beyond our reach. If this is true, it could be the first evidence that something truly exists beyond our observable bubble. But for now, dark flow remains a fascinating mystery. What if everything we see, everything we know is just a hologram? One radical theory suggests that our entire universe might actually be a holographic projection, meaning what we experience as three-dimensional reality is just a shadow of a deeper, hidden reality beyond our comprehension. This idea, known as the holographic principle, comes from the strange nature of black holes. Physicists discovered that all the information about objects that fall into a black hole doesn't disappear. It gets encoded on the black hole's surface, almost like a 2D hologram storing 3D data. Some scientists believe this principle could apply to the entire universe itself. If true, it would mean that beyond the observable universe, there might exist a deeper layer of reality we can't even perceive. If there is more beyond the observable universe, could we ever reach it? Unfortunately, the answer is probably not. As we mentioned earlier, the universe is expanding so rapidly that any galaxies beyond our observable bubble are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, we would never be able to catch up. But what if we found a shortcut? Wormholes. One theoretical possibility is that wormholes, shortcuts through space-time, might allow us to bypass the cosmic horizon and reach beyond what we can see. Higher dimensions. Another idea suggests that if our universe is just a three-dimensional slice of a higher dimensional reality, there might be ways to step out of our universe and enter a different region beyond the observable limits. While these ideas are purely speculative for now, they remind us of one thing: there is still so much we don't know about the universe. The observable universe is like a tiny island in a vast, uncharted ocean. We may never know what lies beyond, but that has never stopped humanity from wondering, imagining, and searching for answers. Maybe one day, with new physics, new discoveries, or new technology, we'll finally be able to peek beyond the veil of the cosmic horizon. Until then, all we can do is explore, question, and dream. What do you think exists beyond the observable universe? Is it more of the same? A completely different reality? Or something so strange that we can't even begin to understand it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from the Celestial Journal. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of the cosmos.